Hello students, let us continue the previous topic, that is Mendel's chromosomal theory of inheritance. In the previous lecture we have discussed all the postulates proposed by, that is Sutton and Boveri experiment. They have shown the chromosomal theory of inheritance, and they have also there is one more scientist by name T.H. Morgan, who is regarded as a father of experimental genetics. Why he is regarded as a father of experimental genetics? T.H. Morgan is regarded as a father of experimental genetics. Why? Because why he is regarded as a father of experimental genetics? Because the reason is this chromosomal theory of inheritance, it was proved by T.H. Morgan only. Thomas Hunt, his name is Thomas Hunt. So he only experimentally proved the chromosomal theory of inheritance, and on a small that is fruit fly, it is called as fruit fly, organism called fruit fly. It is scientifically it is known as a Drosophila melanogaster. And the T.H. Morgan is regarded as a father of experimental genetics because he conducted experiment on a fruit fly, and he selected for his experiment in that is for the following reason. So what is the major reason on why he has selected this fruit fly, tiny fruit fly, for his experiment to explain the chromosomal theory of inheritance. So he experiment on this animal or this small flies. So because of these following reasons. So you will be given, as the Mendel has selected garden pig for his experiment because of some reason, isn't it? So because of the different reasons, like they were bisexual flowers and they have very small lifespan. So because of various reasons Mendel selected, no. Likewise, T.H. Morgan also selected to explain the chromosomal theory of inheritance, and by this experiment he is regarded as a father of experimental genetics because he conducted experiment on this animal, okay, fruit fly. So because of these reasons, let us see what are the major reasons for the selection of the animal. First of all, these animals, these flies, fruit flies. So these fruit flies can be cultured, they can be grown. Cultured means they can be grown artificially in any simple synthetic medium in the laboratory. In any simple synthetic means any chemical medium. So in a synthetic means artificial chemical, in that medium he could able to grow them very easily. This is the first reason why he selected that. So it is easy for the culture. Or this can also be cultured in a ripened banana, not only in a chemical medium, even this can be grown in a ripened banana also, it can be grown. This is first reason. Second reason is that these insects, or these what you call Drosophila melanogaster, they have, they show sexual dimorphism. Here I have not written that word sexual dimorphism. What is the meaning of that? Here male and female can be identified very easily. So how can we identify male and female? So the reason is very easy. So this usually the males are smaller than the females. So male Drosophila are smaller. It means female Drosophila larger. So in the NCERT reader, the diagram also diagrammatic representation also given. Go through the diagram where we can see the diagrammatic representation of a small male and a large female Drosophila. Now third reason is that these Drosophila melanogaster, when they have crossed after mating in the sense sexual contact, means breeding, after breeding or by the sexual contact, or you can also call them as intercourse also you can call, or crossing also you can call. So when he crossed the Drosophila, male and female, in a single cross, in a Drosophila, single cross, that Drosophila produces number of offsprings, many offsprings. It's not simple, few number of offsprings produced, but it produced many offsprings in a single breed, in a single mating. This is the advantage of the selection. Second, third, fourth is that the life cycle of Drosophila melanogaster. So what is the life cycle? Do you know? The life cycle of Drosophila melanogaster, it completes its life cycle within 15 days, 1-5 means 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks. So it completes its life cycle within 2 weeks or 15 days. Either single Drosophila or many Drosophila. So usually they complete their life cycle within 2 weeks or 15 days. This is the another advantage of a selection of a Drosophila for the experimentation. Lastly, they also means Drosophila melanogaster or fruit flies, they show many contrasting opposite character. Contrasting means opposite character. At a time, I mean they produce number of opposite characters. So that is also one of the major character. For example, many characters in the sense, for example, the color of their eye, body color, and regarding their wings. So because of all these characters, many contrasting characters are obtained. That is the advantage. And they have, Drosophila have a limited number of chromosomes, fixed number of chromosomes, the diploid set of chromosome, that is only to a number that is equal to 8. Means Drosophila possess 8 number of chromosomes, very limited number of chromosomes. So because of all these reasons, T.H. Morgan has selected fruit flies for his breeding experimentation or to explain the chromosomal theory of inheritance. So hence he is regarded as the father of experimental genetics. Now there is a note, special note I wrote here. What does it mean? Under note, what is there? Usually the Drosophila melanogaster, they show the contrasting character, we know. But in that contrasting characters, which are the dominant characters and which are the recessive characters? This is important because in reader it is not clearly given. So separately I have written, you note down these dominant characters of Drosophila. So what are the dominant characters? What is the meaning of dominant character? Dominant means the characters which are expressing in their generation, F1 generation, they are called as dominant character. And the characters which are suppressed, which are not expressed in the F1 generation, it is called as recessive character. Let us see what are the dominant characters possessed by Drosophila. So here, red eye color, the color of the eye of a Drosophila was dominant was red eye color and its recessive was white eye. Red was dominant, recessive was white. Second one is their body color. Dominant body color was grey color and recessive color was yellow color. And with regard to their wings, they possess full wings, full entire wings, whereas recessive characters of wings are vestigial wings, small or functionless wings. So these are the recessive characters of a Drosophila wings. So with this characters and significances of fruit flies, so we complete the Drosophila, why he has selected Drosophila for the experimentation. So in the next class, in the next video, we are going to talk about the next concept, that is linkage in detail. We shall stop here only.